Asibhadali J Cole.
Ngibhadala.
Unenoqonisha uxolisa.
Yesh.
Manje idayisiwe nje kahlale ku disadvantage.
Yeah,
Utshana yakhe umjito umsikonkayo. Ta ngimthanda.
Killing Mr. Nice Guy. Amele umbulalo Mr. Nice Guy ngoba Mr. Nice Guy vele ya. Utshona usezikweredeni ngoba ucela ifavor emergency vele siyakwazi ukuthi yani yakhaqha.
Jay.
Once aba abuse Mr. Nice Guy, I feel like everyone in life in yakhe lo Mr. Nice Guy amustayo whether umngani whether amankazaneni labo I'm sure balakho uthi ishepho ngibuthi ishiphatha ubharelwana sure.
But I think you lose the battle but you win war egcineni. But usually a good guy vele bathola imvuthu. Ucherry lwana uthi ambile amshaya life ta. We tatari gago, no, I just want to change my life. I just want to start fresh. Like I feel like I need yabo.
Yes.
Good guy la yahlathini papa msuthethe mfana modibora.
Hey. Inkosi. Hayi.
Libizo lifike ekhaya Jay. Sure chance. Bra, so vele ngijonisa ukuza Jay was. Anje was.
Yeah, wena Jay.
So have you ever life could take one for the team?
In terms of what?
Once you one for the team. Ngithi like aye Jay. Abantwana bayithu lapha yabo. Ungakuthi mina vele lapha. But yabona lwana nje akwesithabe yi1.
Ndiyabe ngayenzi.
Lapha ke bazokufunakala umuntu lama special uyabe lama special needs. It's not about you at that time. Awuchangana le.
But I think iba traumatic to ucherry lwana ngingasamfilanga nje so mele
stick around.
Eish ebona ukuthi amjita lo is just not into me.
Bese mina ngachada ukuthi umnumber wami hayi Jay fika Jay la abantwana bayithu lapha nje ngifuna ukuzwa kuhlobala lo just kuphela lawo.
Ngibambele kanje
ngageza Jay nalapha swina umuntu omdala kanjani. At least la ngithola something yabo. Pa cha fast phuma nokele la mfana manokela nje umember lo All Spice ba fike lapha ndoda ngifike lapha ngithele siyo umjita wathi umjita ehlethe ngolwa manje sithi ngiyacheck member yami yabona bra attack information yayi 442 boy 442 ngapha yakulo Mbappe lo Yamal yezwa
same team
fit style zonke doda ngithi ngiyachecka mfana nami manje sithi ngiyachecka lapha bra Ithathi mbona amehlo alabana abantu angani baslow. Awufana. Ikipeni.
Nkosi.
Ayisukuthi ngiyajaja but yeah, I'm just saying. I'm check remember mama check uzenze so Jay. Usingenze so. Ukho konke. But usala ngicina nje ayiko. Anyways. Yawa. Story imora of the story. Sometimes you gotta take one for the team.
Upostile uShadaya wathi once in a while listen to that erection.
Papa mafana must text omunye umuntu. Are you around? Isn't there these days when we weather Monday Jay?
Daughter.
Yeah, we're living in hard times.
So into encane ngikhuza abafana nyabini batshela ukuthi as long ungaka experience sex usa right mfana awukabubona ubunzima bempilo ngoba it's easy for umunye umuntu ukuthi ephambanise impilo yakho ngento leyana lawe kulula ukuthi uziphambanise
because have you ever noticed ukuthi umjito awunguye before ungena ku world of
chatting
yabo before ungena ku world of what yabo umjito awunguye was more like he was a good guy Jay like umjidelwana a role model bra
mesh mimbe lama goals
wahamba echeche ngalovi those were the virgin years ama virgin years akho Jay they are full of glory Jay but the moment wesh wafana ingajaha
Neo sangikhumbuli lapha ngaluza khona virginity yami serious
mina yami was taken from me
Okucovela thina.
Ache.
And-
Ukuzenza wena ngane yakwazi zenze le experience phela izentsha ijoke. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Ezinye bona nje. It's growing up.
Yeah, ukhulu.
Uh.
So yabona I think time sigcina siba lama disadvantages when I've heard you talk about umalumakho who mentored you into manhood yabona. Thina silabana la ithi asitholanga umjito njalo yabona ukuthi yemfana mzwana dlala lapha esenze so. Thina silabana uthi I figured shit out myself.
Jeki.
Kuyanothi ngazibonela ukuthi even le sex talk ukuthi imbekwazi ukuthi hayi even mfana hayi konke.
Yeah, because mina vele my uncle was like one of the most romantic guys I know. Shadi ziyane zabo very well to baby. I've been thinking about you every day. The county, bro, you don't need to say much. You understand? So I feel like konokyano ngamayezi engaba lakho ngila umdala kwamfundisa. It taught me a lot when it comes to how to carry myself even.
Nice.
Because remember Lana was clean, bruh. Ish,
Yeah.
smart to the core, bruh. Shay mokasini la nothi nxa ikhanda lawo yakuzibona.
Yeah.
Boy,
Glass
fanami.
shoe.
Jay, what's up everybody? This is the Lokshin podcast. Namhla sithe siqale si-rave yabo, and then we come to our introduction. It's your boy. It's the king, the president, hey. Ivan Djokovic, yours number one. Yes, what? Yeah, and obvious, there was Hamalini Kalam, Petini Kalam.
Yes, sir. Light obulawayo. Mdalo obulalayo. I'm not gonna intro vela means deep nje.
Kodwa ama-Zeb next.
Dry mouth ne ngifuna ule dry mouth lo mngalo wamathi ngiyaenjoy utshona la ngoba yakwazi every hour vele ucabanga izikafu.
Kodwa
Ngingahlala meludli.
ngiyabona into emnandi ngama-Zeb next yakwenza wachaya even ngerice. Even nice try.
Ama-Zeb next siphomba uchayela guys ukuthi hayi dry mouth echipileyo 6 rand. Ngaba sishute ebusuku eManuel. 10 o'clock akusela abantu ukugodola.
Fana mi chances are ukuthi sebengasibamba inkonzo siphuma khona. So if we don't make it, we have a few suspects in mind. Sizabakhuluma off camera.
Ngabona episode idropile bekwazi azafika sharp endlini. Ngazibanjwa inkunzi. Leza amabhemba phela these
days bro, like
talk about ezamabhemba jika amajita jika.
Kunzima uhlala ekhasi these days, like it's been tough.
And khonapho to think of it Jay. Same bantu obabona
On a daily dog. Same bantu ophila labo.
like emini.
Bruh.
So sithi so isisipano sithunayo lese ebusuku.
So abantu uyabuphila i-double life. I feel like uyabuphila i-double life. Ukuyana ukuthi uba ngomunye umuntu at a certain time, and then ube ngomunye umuntu at a certain time. Itype ezanti uthatha benomfazi egwiri le family. Benomfazi omunye oblawayo le family. Ngase ke ngetripping. Ilo de khona ngale gwiri ngathi isahlala samla 2 months. Umfazi ngathi alright baba. Mba.
Na but I think yakwanisa ukujagula labafazi abayi2 ngobe ngekho kusame city. Milano uthi vele nje abenzima.
So kumele omunye abekwazi ngomunye.
Oyi1 wabo phela. Ebekwazi xa ngale bana
kwazi ebe yini ebe lisoja. Ecabanye lokhana ukuthi think about the family.
Taking one for the team. Yeah, it's like yeah, boy. Usually you cherry that you feel like okay, it's like girl. Like I was joking no cherry. Why so many jokes because of him go find my 80s cards about generations. Where your place? Ngathi infidelity nje ezuzikhalesi nje like indaba lezo uthi awudivorce nje uhambe cause kule bantu bachadile ukuthola imibala uma newspaper wathi but nxa usubona umjido maziyo mina ubhuda somaziyo uthi bhuda slow phela bese ku top soup yakhe lapha echama sudu lo mfazi wathi karesi
couple of years
chaki akulale 4 years bra but uzothi sebe divorce yasethu sathi namabhachela
amnayesaba nje because like it's sad to see amajita that are married ngaso kuyisikhathi sokuthi endlini umuntu sitshayele ngiyacina lichaye ucina umzimba sitshayele ngiyacina
awu CJ eqinisweni khela ezicineleyo kusuka
esinke
manje abafazi
it's 10:41 we are literally the last people lapha abantu abacina ukusuka ngabantu abachadile. What's going on, guys? What are you not telling us? I feel like we don't know secret society or something.
Umuntu selele ebhenchini lepower ndoda ule queen bed
kaya ngiphethe ngona kula meva
yawungalali guys stress
nje umfazi wakhona nje ngomkhethayo kodwa nje
yabo school fees nje a lot comes into play ilisana ezinye stage lesi
uthi la ama-gents ekasale ale ngale ezinye beat lekanti yapha umgqobi yokuthi ngesibani ukwazi usebenzi manje sifika kuhasa J
bakhona abantu baphila life
bakhona abaphuma engane yesibani engayisibani khona ebhodi kasilonke
kamele kenzakale khona ukwenza
achayisana nomfazi wakhe from afar change step
kayile phansi
dog
change step kayile phansi
fanami
ngakunzima nje so khona ukuthi impilo esiphila kiyo galesi nje i-crazy you can never know ukuthi iskiphani nje kubulawayo so dangerous galesi sebazi bayideclare ibulawayo try crime hotspot ngibeni armed robbery hotspot bra
na sokufiwa
bajahile abantu galesi yona le amabhemba abantu babesithi hey ngogweja abaxothwayo emagangeni wathiwa sadiscover ukuthi abantu esiphila lapha eKasi yena le mbhubhe othiwa maybe ngama-ex gunners thola ukuthi vele bachayile izolo opposite e-Rainbow kuthiwa ngweni i-Christ Ezar Crystal Lounge so bachaye ngayi 4,000 3,000 many
4,000 score 5 cheki
bayithatha imali abantu kobulawayo
like bra
imali inengi out there isipindi sakho
iliver cirrhosis
mele ufike ebhuta
bazona yesaba ukuchaka cheki
thenga 2 kgs yeliver aziningi izimoto ezilemali phandle lapha nje
emuntu nje ngiyabona vele mina la sesichama zemo umuntu uyifila yini la anya ifila nikalamswi
swing bracket nje
mfana mina yesaba ukuchaka mina ngithi ngiyakupaya ecourt yami nje ngoba le ID
mina ngeke ngitshayele and you taking one for the team what you mina nyanyura majinsa
usagcina masalo man zone manpendi manpendi make sure you get on the score
twice
jahamba majenza 15 years
nxa siyithune sonkeni nasibotshweni sonkeni
J even mina nqabe mbukeli ngiyakhuluma judge sorry mina alright ngiqonjudge ukubukela cause ngizaye ngamchaya umuntu omchayo nango ayikhonto lo kanto yazamchaya never
uyabunga participate wena khona
fanami yabona abantwana bapaya njani
but vele I think i-crime vele ingezelelwa indaba ye-unemployment ukuthi vele nje banengi all over nje and yona leyani ekhulunywa mbani kanti nje eKasi nje kunzima uthenga ezinye izinto nje ethenga edlela ngapi ice cream yakho nje sekucelile umntaka sisi wakho mbele umntaka bhuti wakho mbele umngani wakho umntwana nomngani wakho there is someone who feel entitled to what you have eKasi and you can't live a soft life eKasi ngoba somele ushare la
you have to share kufana ukuthi even lawo konje so umabhebeza uthela i-dry mouth thale ngicela ngiyakho baby so mina nxa ungena endlini ungena ufake ejakethini nje step unganweli giant ngana ngizoshop la manje kusatheka ichayikilo samuhle
phepha la ngibona livulwa so
so mili wavula under blankets Jay
ngofaka isandla ukuthi
yabo why ngoba yonke into emnandi yabe ngiyomntwana yonke into emnandi ngiyomntwana ngabe itheli yogadi ende bayicina kudala nana mbani uthenge umntwana bani uthenge umntwana yabona so it's the way of life esiphilayo umuntu
eKasi
it's always been dog uyayizwa kodwa ngisho
eKasi we are not just poor financially sipoor mentally nje yona le into yokuthi ukudla kulezibongo drink ye isinkwa semini irice ya isausage lika ipaloni ye ukudla kube ikudla ku exist ukudla endlini
waye kumele kube lemgane uthi angaphawululo ngawuthatha kuyaba ngumsindo uthathelele ngoba sisi uthathelele lemgane ngoba sisi hayi aje yakutshona sithi endlini indoda idla nzima kanti ungawathi ngowamatshona bekufakela inginyila antshe yaphuza ufika endlini
awasemagetho yithi
ngoyakuqinela yaphuza ufika endlini apha yabudakweza ikhokho ngene uthi uvula umgane every day utshontsha lekhanda lentamo less flesh more bones
wena
yeah babe kuchaya more babe kuchaya yoku psychology
then I had
trying to tire your mind run him down
cabanga ukuthi soyikhanda lelinyele attack kanjani
nxa uliche ikhanda lenkukhu labelinje
ayaqala ucapuke nje
wese utholele yani yafimangele ukuthi kwenzakalani
ngiyo phela ukuthi ngawathi ngiyabuthola uthola bo even ubukhanda bonhlanzi wena bungalikhanda lenhlanzi wona ukuthi somna ngathi ngiyathanda ikhanda lenhlanzi ngathi ngiyathanda izivunu leqolo ngikhumbuza nini ide ngakhuluma konti mina izivunu ngiyazithanda
yabona Orlando boy bekujayise 3 slices 3 hayi angabe ngiphethuka kanje iyafulana nyanya
I struggle samanigas ekhasi noma wazi uthesha so that's why ngisicina sesi under pressure ukuthi move out ipressure yokumove out kakhulu I think ibuya ekuthini one you can't afford for everyone else ngendlela wena ofuna ngayo yabo njengomuntu osebenza yabufuna ukuthi uchago every day ubeni ushaya ama conflicts every day but akusayenza ukuthi ngiyasebenza nje ama conflicts ami every day siphila sibaningi abanye betshaya porridge ledobi
li9 ngina kumbe li10 kuyama uthenga ama box amangaki and abantu bekazi iprogram bakapula abona ama conflicts lapho service asikonto okudla usuthi into yokukulolonga yokukuprolonga usifuna ugcwalisa umgane ungaka so hayi lamnandi njani so bona ngokuqala ukudiscover jamnandi hayi so siyayibona into entshoyo manje
hayi kasi kuyafiwa nje kasi I mentality le yani poor so I think that's why vele sidanela ku gambling
yeah
waya khathese jeki rate abantu amagamblayo jeki is ever rising
bra hamba emozi lunch time man
ubona
abantu ababaleke emsebenzini beke ukuzobheka
Nkosi J don't mention it J
yabo ngaqala yabona at first I thought ukuthi line yebank iyilahlayo yabona ibank ngomdlwane even le emfi ngomdlwane emozi line emozi ndo ingani after that kuyiwe ezulwini or somewhere
yeah
abantu babe serious J I'm saying I'm not mocking I'm just saying ukuthi it's the way of life esiphilayo khathesi I situation
imvukuzane awufathi J sengithethe imvukuzane
ngithethe zonke zekazi esibe zemnandi
ikole flavor yonke khona wathiwa ibeef kuma Zipnex yangibona babe ifake njani
leba babe iqobelile anje yabona balama grade wena nxa usucabanga ama grade usucabanga ngiyangini lani eseba igreta
so great umkhwapha abe great injali
J yabona nje amakhiwa amakhiwa blind ikala blind J
alright usathini ngemoza
yabona imozi JC way of life because nyaka ngasebenzi but I have a chance ukuthi ngifike ngisuke sembambe mina $20 isikhathi esincane you understand
yeah
ora leseka risufuna la impuphu ufuna lichukela ngifike ngithi kha ngifake linja yami ihambe la ihambe wena yabo so ungena something like $15 $1 J so ngezinye indlela uyakuziqhatsha at a disadvantage yabona ngoba no refunds
ngiyalapha
ngihamba usuhambile
le gambling igame
wona nje ngendani eviator lani from machine yona ayibona ipombe wena zibuya zidake from machine abantu abaningi kudala inhliziyo zesima nje ngento leyo so kulama lokhu zembe kulama packs ayisweet na inkosi
addiction ye gambling. Yeah. Is it any different sheki lokubeta amakhasi eTareni?
Yabona lana igambling lana umuntu sengabheja ngendle.
Ngoba phela Nkosi isikhula nje ajona sikhuzo ongafana nabo mali abadlala amakhasi emakhoneni. Khale somasayo bangikhona yibo abadlala amakhasi eMosi.
Jay.
The difference ukuthi adlalelwa ngapi but ngamakhasi.
Yes, ngamakhasi ngoba it's matter of chance.
Hayi ngiyawakhale sisi exposed kakhulu.
Yeah, rasiyayilahla.
Namafoni lawo but as long abantu bethola ukubaphilisayo. Yeah.
Oh, at the end of the day it's a good thing ngoba ku non-violent. No one gets hurt.
Yeah, emakhasini sigcina sesikhipha namagijasi.
Uyajwayela usungane usunjani? Suyita kakhulu umuntu kumbe usungane usuhleka. Yabona? So ngicine lami sokumbho, yabo? But injalo yana ngazithiwe. Uzayibona nga? Awuthi kuthiwa uzambe echanyelekeni or something.
Yeah, in the makhasini nje vele yawuswelakali. Lesibabe khona ukuphuta silabana for example uMageba umbeni usamancuwa ubabonela bekhona encane page. Vele ehledla linyatheli okap yakhe.
Mfana nami.
Ngiyani uthi hayi nakakho violent wathi but just nje nala image ukuthi hayi ungangisondeleli.
Don't try me.
Ihlenyatheli okap echa amakhasi akhe kumi simple.
So bangaka abafana aba you remember kunomfana lwana who passed away. I think 8 years ago. Mfana nokwazi emakhasini.
Oh ubuthini zakho yeah.
So ngama cases lawa nakhona okokuthi amakhasi vele they are at bigger disadvantage. Bigger disadvantage ngoba sometimes inza kudla uzonde ungakuvezi ngesikhathi wandezo. Yabo? Next time isindlula ngokugudla ngemistake. Unthuze so. Yeah. Cha sokuphelile. Inxa yani nje. Yabo?
Jason ubona ngani even hayi ukuthi nje kithini ikhasi lethu umzilikazi Makhukhuba uNjubi uMabuthweni number 1 vele isona sani isgangster segazi uthi anyakukhiphe i3 star wena nyakutheketwa namfana wena yabo. So ubona ngani amakhasi kana Harare bombari yabo hayifuthi labo vele ismafia sabo laso isona sani isgangster laso silogwazana uthi lazo zidlala amakhasi izilama okap ezimbari.
Balabo Tupac baba.
Stress.
Umarudula baba. Balabo Papa Action baba. Ubabambisa umtemo uthi garapasi mfana ngidokushagada.
Yeah. Ilunywa zintwali njalo kuthiwa ngizinsikisi.
Ngikubona uri kunanayira. Yabona into ezinjani. Ichayizi.
Sidiri ukubona
amaze mangenile mfana mina iCovid-40.
Wena
ungathimu yatube lazo athi kuyafika ngale ndoda.
Eish.
Embari athi kuyafika.
But vele kungcolile lapha eMadapi nje. But insikizi into ezikhona everywhere nje. Lapha yana ukuthi maybe I'm sure nje 1 in every 100 houses ekasi. Liyabele insikizi but khona ukhana ukuthi awusoze uthola izindle eziyi10 zilandelana zilensikizi. So we outbreak ibe.
Kule boys yami ethi ayakwantsha ku sleep off. Komunye umntwana yabo. Fika lapha yonke into emnandi bamphikela ama 7 colors washawa umnandi. Bathi bengene ngujeni umfana ukuthi ngathi ngikhakla. Ngizongikhaklwa. Yabona? Tiny hands.
Ngathi ngikhakla.
Ngiyezwa ngikhakla.
Ikhaklwa.
Bathe bechala abafana TikTok. Amaze mntwana athi ayi problem. Especially ngathola ibridge lapha nepainting nani. Yabona engathola ispace like bra.
Manje manje le linyuza pha so vele nje like enough mina ngathi ngena vele ngase ngitholile 411 uthi yayila vele yothiwa kule sofa elingahlalwayo so bona vele ncabe ukukhuza disguise lokuyana uthi yathwa isofa lika date ungahlali but la ungazenza umhadi lokuyana uthi
hayi level ngelika date.
My god slimazo sangikhona
ndoda
abafana abancane nje.
That I remember there was this one time isamba khona camp amagents that was like about 2013 2014 khona sithi boys fike camp lapha namundi lapha nasifike angikwazi ukuthi kuhamba njani kwaba njani kwaba lescapees manami wonke umuntu wayesenza sonke awungani indoda sonke singabe isitsha icrack Ndoda zazibaba impunza yabona impunza zazitshaya somfana
ngoba xa usithi escape ukhuluma ngani ngonye kuyi-allergy okumnandi okwesikhiweni okuchaza ukuthi maybe ungadlula emaflawuzini sembanjwe i-escapees ngisishona kuthiwa mezi urukungokwenya mezi
Jackie so sasithi boys bra and yazi so akukhula nje
la impunza yanjaya form 1 yanjaya la kanti impunza yena vele
akwazi ukuthi yabumayinani la because la kungani kule something yenzakalayo member yami nje ngande rush la
wadlibaza hayi nje but lapha impunza phela kuthiwa ikhozwa idoti ani
hayi zasigeza nje
serious
thina sihamba egangeni yabo sithe sisegangeni semthindana ngazi ataqobane through bani ngoba i-transmitted disease yabona i-STI ihamba njalo yikho abona konke yabona i-STI that's how it spreads ndoda okwenze umuntu kuyakwasibamba sonke ndoda ubona amajensi abe relaxile mfana yabichaya ngesigodo kha emphethweni yabe ku-messed up
ungenzi njalo
utshela muntu ije
awungenzi njalo
echile ngayo nje
impunza ikhozwa idoti
anje kulaliyani egangeni
kulaliyani uthi uyidingile ukuthi ajeka umbavi I think lapha nganjayile yani uthi awumbavi yani form 1 uthi la ukhomba ukuthi uhawa kwaye
ubomfana thothi khona umunye umuntu oyijayelele ironga la kungakwazi
my god
as better school la uyole bithezi nje uwachi penta kuthi uthi door uthwele ingekho
cheki
ungacobi pena
ngathi miyanke lethu vele la isidlala irafu vele
ubona imafisi relaxile ukhanya mfana mu kids.com 17 years
yabila mo 17 years uyakuko 6 years la
nje la nqali buya kuwe vele kuyazokhanya ingena ama heavy instruments yazi lidambile masela discipline seli wrangler
njengilebe litshayelisi
anytime umjida can pop up umza sokuhlaba etandini
lebe li wrangler
lebe wrangler Jay banami
angeke mina sengiswi
hayi ndlela Jay
lapho sokuhlungu
nje hayi Jay
asikhule nzima ekasi Jay so yona le yani poor mentality nje ukuthi lo munye umuntu obona ngani into yakho ngeyenyu ekasi kunjalo into yakho ngeyethu sonke
kala lesi BCC khona ukuthi they're trying to keep the city clean sebeze ba increase ama penalties the strictness la singani siqansa because we're trying to keep ubulawa clean
but mina still always maintain ukuthi inkosi ilokhuzeni i-city council kudala angazi mbeni yayinika mbeni ithingise izindle kwawulama beam lana insiba sinda yakhumbula esakhule khona Jeki lokhana kunganceda kakhulu ngamabhini lokhana ngoba still Jeki nomaze bezama ukuthini Jeki
abantu uyakwazi uhamba 2 blocks uswele beam bra
ama community beans mele bekhona Jeki kunzima etown yakwanisa ukuswela Jeki ibhini indawo yolahleli izi
not even just the town ekasi
njase ekasi
ekasi yakwanisa uyaziphuma ungahlala so nxa umuntu ethenga ibanana elahlela ngayo we talk about disposable places isifaka izinto lezi somewhere esikwazi ukuthi even people that are keeping the city clean bayakwazi ukuthi bayikhiphe clean
ngendlela right
la ndaba uphongamba lilahle into zene ethareni nje chaza nje phedi nje thayi nje amanje ukuzina abantwana nje mahamba nje abele silabelele ukukhanya ibrown line is right there
kumazayi ubona
umazayi I think it's like a hub into is messed up chaza lo dog ihlatshwa amanaridi bra wona impiki wona imbodlela yabile impiki
picture yo
develop iboda phakathi
nje
at the same time la life yakhe yabe iboda bra
around same down undawo one
mundi
around same down ungayindawo
shosho bafethu it's the Lokshin
Lokshin podcast yeah Guys, i-episode yanamhla siyishaye under tough conditions. Khathi sisikhathi so 11 o'clock.
Yeah.
Silokhu sishuta lo Putas unkosi lapha sefukhiya sesimphuzele but yini babukeli into lenxa siyenza yabona lakithi it's a way of ukuzi-expressa ngoba kuningi sikubonayo but sometimes indlela esizi-expressa ngayo ihlukene labanye so that's why thina ubona we always try to add humor into yethu asifuni sibe labane
serious too much.
Siyakhuluma indaba ezi-serious but sizifake ine-joking manner yabona ukuthi kuchaza so yeah sinjalo differentiate njalo that's what you say nxa ufuna explain labanye abantu ukuthi I podcast le ihlukene ngani yabatshela ukuthi ala bakhuluma ngezinto ezi-serious sibili but bezinjani bezifake ngendlela yokudlala yabo. I think that's the best way to describe i-podcast yethu i-Lokshin podcast.
Yeah.
Otherwise
fresh. Otherwise that's Nandi. It's always a spin. It's always nice to be with you. You know, Utando this nigga alone, a big shout out. We've been getting a lot of positive feedback and I appreciate. So before I forget, I have a stand-up show on the 26th.
Yes, sir.
26th at Mziliga's Youth Center. Mziliga's Youth Center, Toxic Club. It's gonna be from 16:30 up to 20:30.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Also, it's gonna be hosted by Mr.
Obvious.
Obulalayo.
Yes, sir.
Big time.
Thank you, guys.
Yeah,